Dear medical colleagues, greetings and namaskar from Pyramid. I am Ketan Parikh, a senior pediatric surgeon from Mumbai, attached to various hospitals in Mumbai, and I have been the past president of Indian Association of Pediatric Surgeons. Friends, this year has been a very stressful year, but the human race continues to innovate for its survival. We as doctors have the additional responsibility of safeguarding not only ourselves, but we also have the responsibility of safeguarding our patients. When we are looking at day-to-day clinical practice, it keeps throwing various challenges. The commonest are, of course, clinical challenges. Once in a while, we have perplexing cases. At times, the patient does not respond to our treatment. And these create our own stresses in our life. In addition, at times we have difficult patients. Today, with internet literacy, patients who have relatives abroad, they have funny expectations and very odd expectations at times. And we as doctors will have to keep on tackling these challenges. We have to finally hold on to our patients' confidence. So what are our options? One, of course, that when we have such a patient, we refer him to a higher center. But then there's a flip side to that. Patient has to travel to a higher center or go to a higher center. There is, of course, cost of travel involved. There would be time spent. If the patient has to travel a few kilometers, a few hundred kilometers away, he has to travel along with one or two caregivers. The very fact that they have to travel creates an infective exposure, especially to smaller children and to other more susceptible patients. Very often, this situation leads to delay in seeking opinion, and that leads to delay in care. At times, the very fact that we have asked the patient to travel to some other place for second opinion or a different opinion may lead to a loss of faith in the primary doctor. In addition, because this becomes an episode where it is disconnected with your healthcare, so that leads to a little level of disconnection as far as healthcare is concerned. Another option, which is now often available today, is that ask the patient to take a telemedicine directly, to consult some specialist directly. Now, this is an option, but what are the problems that can happen in such a situation? One is that the patient actually, when he connects to a telemedicine platform, he connects to a wrong specialty. Even if he connects to a correct specialty, he may connect to a wrong doctor within the specialty. You all know that so many of these platforms are giving various ratings on their own commercial methods to doctors, and the patient may get misguided into this. Once again, as I said, if the doctor advises something which you are not aware of, there is a discontinuity of care. You as the primary doctor who is handling the patient do not have a control over this consultation, and it could go haywire at times, because you are alienated from this consultation. And of course, there will be patients who may find it very difficult to do a self-consultation on a telemedicine. So these are all the disadvantages of asking the patient to go directly to a telemedicine platform. So then you would like to manage this patient on your own as far as possible. Of course, one thing is simply said that you enhance your knowledge through books, through journals, through CMEs, etc., so that you are better equipped to handle such patients. What is another possibility is a case-based help. That means you discuss this case directly with a specialist or with a senior or with a mentor. This is called case-based mentoring. And that is all what is Pyramid doing. So Pyramid enables you to do a joint video consultation right from your clinic across the country to a person who could be either your colleague, he could be a senior or a super specialist in the field. And all that it requires is a usage of a smartphone. In addition, the fact that the patient is a part and part of the conversation or the consultation process, and he also is witness to this, helps to restore the faith in the patient's mind. All that you need to do is feed the relevant history through simple templates. You are going to contribute in the consultation by sharing vital clinical findings, upload relevant reports, and get ethically reimbursed for your participation in this consultation. And that is the advantage. So this actually enables you to remain in charge of your patient's health, because you are the one who decides the specialty and the specialist. There is no random consultation. There is no silver or gold rating which is done by Pyramid or any particular consultant. You decide on the basis of whatever information you have about various specialists. You are a doctor, you know, you have been attending CMEs, you have been reading journals, you know who are the people whom you would like to consult. So we don't influence that. So there is no doctor shopping at all. You are directly able to interact with these specialists. You can discuss your impression. You can listen to his impression and discuss various management options. So you remain in the loop of your patient care. And that gives continuity of care for the patient, even in case the patient requires a hospitalization. You are able to do the pre-hospital management and the post-hospital care directly in consultation with the consultant. In addition, you all know that today the courts are very, very particular that whenever there is a need for getting a specialty opinion or a second opinion, you should not hesitate. And normally it becomes so difficult to send the patient for such a thing. Here you are able to get the opinion in time without inconvenience. You are actually empowering yourself with a case-based learning, because you learn from every such discussion. As I said, the patient loyalty is definitely enhanced because the patient learns about this, your effort, and is very happy that you have taken a special effort to treat him. And in general, you are increasing healthcare accessibility across the country. Friends, we have been very fortunate to have got very encouraging testimonials from Dr. Amdekar, Dr. Yevle, Dr. Praveen Mehta, who are all stalwarts of Indian Academy of Pediatrics. So friends, if you are feeling excited to empower yourself with this edition feature, a new healthcare revolution, you may partner with Pyramid, either by downloading the Pyramid app from Google Play Store, self-register and join. You can just send an SMS, join, to this number, that is 98679-55019, or you can even call this number or send an email to info@pyramid.in. And of course, if you want to know more about us, do visit our website www.pyramid.in. Thank you very much.